How do you tell a story about a great company? Is it possible to capture that feeling? Of course. And it starts by meeting the local characters. This story is about a group of people dedicated to serving their community. And for them, family always comes first. And an honest day's work means more than just a paycheck. It's about building relationships with the people who make up the culture of our community. And in this story, customers become friends,
It's nice to meet you.
and friends become family. At Parham, it's always been about the people. So stop in and say hello. We welcome you to be a part of our story.